IKEA furniture. Yeah, what you are is God's gift to you. What make you feel yourself is your gift to God. That's true though. Yay! 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 Wow! Good. Wow! Look at Dada. Wow. We don't have Easter baskets. We don't have it. No. Christmas trees. Look at that. Oh my god. That's the monkey. Anna. Monkey. Monkey. Here. Okay. Where are you going? Take a photo. Anna. Photo. Where's the monkey? Monkey, where's the monkey? Where's the monkey? Where? Monkey. Oh, I'm gonna mag-focus. Oh, there you go. Yeah, monkey. Oh, yeah. Where's the monkey? Monkey? Yes. Oh, there. That's the monkey. Go check. Check. What are you doing? Go walk. Walk. Anna, smile. Smile na. What are you doing? Toy. Here. Dada is here. Oh, two, yes. Come here. Oh, look at that. Where's Dada? Where'd you go? Go? Oh, there. There he is. It's a big bear, Anna. Look at that. Hi, bear. Oh, careful. Oh, come on, stand up. Oops. Come on, get up. Come on. Here. Where are you? Where? Oh, Dada is here. Come here. Dada is here. Oh, here, baby. Oh, come here. No. Anna, no. Oh, no.
They put in some daycare center here. You're gonna follow. You gotta hold on to your new friend. Say hi. Hi.
Hola ni. Anna, Daddy. Kompleto na naman tayo eh. Pagkain. Mahilig sa pagkain. Ayan. Palaging gutom. Oh, fruits. It's white rice.
Is there salad dressing like blue cheese? Oh, honey mustard is good.
See, that's how you put dressings.
Oh, that's good. Yeah. And can we get an extra plate with the rice and a turkey leg for her? Okay, get your food.
Wow.
Thank you.
That's a huge one.
They're all pretty big. Would you like anything else on your plate?
And that's all.
Okay. Here you
Okay.
go.
Thank you so much. Oh my God. I'll get a knife, wait. I'll get a knife. You stay here. I'll get one more. You take it. Ang laki niya. In fairness, ha? Oh my God, look at that big mouth. Pauwi na kami, hindi namin nakita lahat. Oh, look at that.
Sit here.
Ako, ito na naman siya eh. Okay, let's go home. It's time to go home na. Come on. Yes, no need. No. Don't run. Stop running. Come on, let's go. Doggy! Oh! Don't hold her!
You run over.
Okay, hold her.
Just thank you.
Yeah, I know. Nah? time to go. We're going.
Yeah, the other keys are ready. Don't forget. We have to...
And next time, gallery furniture. I don't know when. Maybe next year.
all the animals are gone.
Oh yeah.
They moved in. They moved in the child care center. I don't know if we want.
Hot? It's not hot.